Starseed, if you have been losing interest in things that used to excite you, you don't feel like going out and socializing as much. So even if you used to be more towards extrovert, now you're just feeling like you're suddenly an introvert. This is what I call the Starseed Hermit Phase. In all the Starseed videos, I see so many comments from you guys talking about this feeling of needing to withdraw from the world. So I thought I should really make a video addressing why this is happening, so you know that this is normal. Signs that you're in the hermit phase, why this happens to so many starseeds, and what is actually happening beneath the surface, so you know how to move through this with ease. So the hermit phase isn't just about withdrawing from society, being alone. It's about removing yourself from everything that is not aligned with your highest self. So this could be friendships that are no longer aligned, a job that isn't aligned, habits that aren't aligned, like excessive alcohol consumption, junk food consumption. Your soul is like, look, we can't bring all of this baggage with us to the place where we're going. What makes this so uncomfortable is, first of all, society's expecting us to always be energetic and socializing. Oh, what did you do this weekend? We feel bad if we say no to events. So it's easy to feel a bit guilty or like you're missing out. Also, what makes it uncomfortable is that you have one step into your old life and one step into your new life. And in this place, you can feel very unfulfilled, very confused, directionless. But you have grown too much to go back to your old identity, old ways. So you're just stuck in the middle. So, Julia, what is actually happening to me? Well, let me tell you. Your system is literally being rewired to a new way of living and relating to the world. And that requires space. So instead of forcing yourself to socialize every weekend, forcing yourself to see friends that don't align with you anymore, I want you to lean into the hermit phase and really own it. You don't have to give an explanation to people of why you can't see them. And really take that time for silence. Go on nature walk. Ground into the earth. Or use a grounding device. Like I have here, this one, 174 frequency, which is a very grounding frequency. It's a frequency generator by Energy Muse. There's just one button here to turn it on, little light. And it creates this energy field, this grounding energy field. So after a few minutes, you will feel so grounded. I use it during my daily meditations. And what was interesting, after a few minutes, I started feeling my crown chakra open. And that made me so confused because I was like, this is supposed to be grounding. But then I asked ChatGPT, why is this happening? And it said because it's quieting your monkey mind to get into your body. So this is why your mind is becoming clear and your crown chakra can open. So it is interesting that the more we ground, the more energy we can hold. I've put it in the description where I bought this. And know that even though it might feel like nothing is happening, know that everything is happening, but it's internal. Now, how do you know if you're just hiding and avoiding the world versus preparing? It's preparing you for living in line with your higher self and achieving that dream life that is yours. So it's difficult because both feel uncomfortable. But one, you know that you're just avoiding the hard work and you're just escaping, numbing yourself. While the other, the most empowered one, is you are present with the process and you're feeling that things are shifting inside. So now I thought that I would go through a few signs that you are in the hermit phase. I have it here in front of me, took some notes. The first one is pretty obvious, and that is that you crave solitude more than usual. The second one is that socializing feels more draining than it used to do. Socializing has always been draining for me, but when I'm going through a hermit phase, it feels even more draining. Third sign is that you're questioning your old life path, while before you weren't. You were just living in it on autopilot. And that is most people today. But since you're a starseed, you are a very old, advanced soul. You've come here many times. And you're starting to awaken like, oh yeah, I can choose my destiny. I can choose to live in line with my higher self. I don't have to be a victim to my life. And another sign is that you feel like you are waiting, but you don't know for what. And if that is you, if you don't know what your calling is, then definitely check out my free guide in the description on how to find your purpose in 5 simple steps. So how do you actually move through this hermit phase? You can get to the other side where your dream life awaits. The first of all, rest. Don't feel guilty about taking naps. I feel like there's so much stigma around taking naps. Make sure you're getting enough sleep, and if not, have more naps. Secondly, and this is something that I just discovered recently, how important that is, and that is fascia work. Fascia is the tissues in our body that supports the muscles, the nerves, the organs, and wounds, trapped emotions, etc. can get stuck in the fascia. And it doesn't even have to be from this lifetime. It could be from past lives, or it could be from your lineage. So your mom or your grandma's or your grand's traumas can be passed down to you, to your fascia. And this has been a huge realization for me lately, because I have been so stiff my entire life. And I just thought that is just who I am. But then every time I had a call with my psychic, she keeps saying like, you gotta do yoga, you gotta open up. You have trapped emotions, trapped energy in your hips, and that's why they're so tight. And I'm like, how did you even know about that? And I thought doing yoga would be enough, but it hasn't. I've been doing 20 minutes of yoga per day. I'm still just as stiff. So now I'm using my foam roller. I'm doing Qigong in the morning, really getting my fascia, my lymph flowing. Breath work is another way to release this. And this is such a good thing to do in this hermit phase, so that you can step into this new empowered chapter and not take any shit with you, any heavy baggage. And then meditate. Daily meditation. I talk about this in every video and I'll continue to talk about this. It's just so important. It helps your soul be in charge, because how do you know otherwise if a decision or a desire is coming from your ego or from your soul? And if it's coming from your ego, you're just delaying your dream life. And like we talked about before, you want to meditate while grounding. Either you can be barefoot in the grass or use a grounding frequency device like this one. Also make sure to be alone. Take that time to be by yourself and hear what comes through. Do you get any downloads? I often get that when I go on nature walks alone. Many people also get it when they're running. And when you get more downloads, more clarity about your path and your calling, write them down and take small little action steps towards it. And if you want help clarifying what that calling is or how to turn it into a business, then feel free to book a business clarity call, link in the description. It's free and we have a few more slots this week. So if you've been feeling more isolated, more disconnected than ever, know that this is so common. We're all going through this. It is not a step back, it's just the Starseed Hermit Phase. Let me know if you're going through that right now, so that we can feel less lonely. Love you so much and see you in the next video.